This is Tracy Arner, and this is my on the boards for October the 8th. The name of my project is Georgia Public Library Service Uniform Chart of Accounts. I'm creating a tutorial to explain to librarians how to use the chart of accounts. My learning objectives is that they will be able to recite each segment of the library chart of accounts and also to demonstrate how they would use the different account codes. I've set the story view up at this point. I have an introductory section. These are the three main parts of my tutorial: chart overview, chart field definitions, and coding transactions. I have set triggers so that when the user clicks on each of these objects, it will go to a different scene. So the scenes include a scene for the chart of accounts overview, a scene with the chart of accounts definition, and a scene for how to do the coding. So far, what I've worked on is some of the graphics and some of the script. You can see in the notes section here, I'm writing the script. I'm also writing it in Word, and I'm pretty much copy and pasting into Storyline because I want to preserve the font. I'm using Arial 12, and if you type the script directly into Storyline, it defaults to Open Sans 9, and every single slide you have to change the font and the size, and that's too time consuming, I think. So I start out with some graphics, keeping in mind some of the reading that I've done this semester. I've tried to go away from using so many words on the slide. I'm also trying to make my graphics meaningful. You can see here I have each of the chart field dimensions, and I've written a script that each of these boxes has a layer associated with it. So when I go to fund, and I have a trigger that'll show the layer and it'll show the definition. So for each of these, the program layer, again, it shows the definition, the function layer shows the definition, and so on. This took a good amount of time today, so I'm going to continue on in this fashion. I've got the color scheme set up. I have an idea of what I want to do with the visuals. Now it's a matter of creating the visuals on each slide and writing the script. I'm going to wait until the end in order to do the recordings so I can make sure that my recording has consistent sound. That's something I've struggled with in past projects, so I really do want to wait till the very end to do that.